Guess what, guys? We have got a new series! It is going to be Clamb. If you guys do enjoy, we are going to do more of this. Also, you guys should get Clamb. It's very cheap, and I prefer it. It's pretty good. It's a very fun game. Also, thank you guys so much for 25 subscribers. Our first milestone. But next we're going for 50 to be a bigger milestone. But 25, man. I'm so happy. 25 subscribers. More subscribers than my videos. More subscribers than I have videos. Bubba Bubba tuned